Number 1.
I have been using these Eyes Beauty Globes in my skincare routine and I'm absolutely in love with them. They're made of premium quartz and can handle frigid temperatures, so you can put them in the fridge or freezer without any issues. Once they're cool enough, you just take them out and start using them. My favorite way is to incorporate them in my morning skincare routine because it helps to depuff my face, especially around my eye area. I just carefully roll them under my eyes as the last step of my skincare routine. It helps to improve blood circulation and feels so refreshing and soothing, and my skin is instantly firmer and less red. I love my Eyes Beauty Globes and I can highly recommend them to anyone looking to upgrade their skincare routine.